Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix WUCHANG fallen feathers, crashing or stuck on loading screen or not launching or unable to open or lagging or black screen error on PC. So whatever issue you are getting on this game while playing it, follow the methods suggested here and play the game without any further issue. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to check system requirements. For that, simply open Steam, search for the game and then go below, and here you can see the system requirements of the game on your PC. So here are the system requirements. Kindly go through it and then try to play the game. The next method suggested is to restart PC or Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option and then click on exit. And now to restart your PC, simply click on start. Simply click on start and then click on power and here select restart option. Doing this will restart your PC, and once your device restarts, now try to launch the game and then check if it works. The next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, click on the library. Here you can see the list of games that is installed. Simply select the game, right click on it and then click on properties. From here, click on install files, and from here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the files of your game and then try to play the game and see if it works for you. The next is to modify launch option. So for that, again go to Steam, go to library section, select the game, right click on it, select properties, and under general, in the launch option you need to type -dx11 and then check if it resolves the issue. If not, then simply type -dx12 and then check if this resolves the issue, and you can play the game without any further problem. The next solution suggested is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, select properties. Now click on install files. After that, click on browse. This will take you to the folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it and then click on properties. Now click on compatibility tab and then click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. If not, now click on run this program in compatibility mode for and click check on Windows and then click on apply and OK. If not, simply click on disable full screen optimization and then click on apply and OK. Once done, launch the game and then check if this solution works for you. The next solution is to allow WUCHANG fallen feathers through firewall. For that, you simply have to go to the search option. Here look for Windows Defender Firewall, then click on allow an app or feature. Here you need to click on change settings and after that check the list of your game if listed. If not, simply click on allow another app and then from browse option you can add your game and then click on add. After you find the game here, select it and then make sure to click on both the boxes of private and public and then click on OK. After this, check if you can play the game without any further problem. The next solution suggested is to update graphics card. For that, you simply need to go to the search option, look for device manager. Now expand display adapters option, right click on it and then click on update driver, and after that again click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best driver available on your PC and install it, and after this check if you can play the game. Or else, to update your graphics card, you can go through the link that I have provided in the description. You can directly download and update the latest drivers on your PC. The next solution suggested is to check graphic settings of the game. Now, many of the settings are not properly set up in the game, like resolution or texture quality or other things that directly impacts the game. So what you have to do is simply set up the settings properly inside the game and lower the graphic settings, as this can help you to play the game smoothly without any further problem. If not, the next solution suggested is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, type check for updates, and this will land to the Windows update page. Here click on check for updates option. If any update is available, simply update the Windows to latest version and then check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution suggested is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, simply click on here, select task manager, and under processes tab, see which app is running in the background which is of no use, or simply which app is consuming high resource. So simply select that app, right click on it and click on end task, and after this try to launch the game and check if it works. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. To do it, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and install the latest Visual C++ files for your PC. The next solution is to change virtual memory settings. For that, you have to go to the search bar, click on View Advanced System Settings, search for View Advanced System Settings. Now you can see performance. Here click on settings, click on advanced. Under virtual memory you need to click on change option, disable this and click on custom size. Here you need to write initial size is 24576, remember 24576, and the maximum size is 49152. After doing these changes, click on OK and then check if you can play the game. The next solution suggested is to disable in-game overlays. For that, simply go to the Steam, under libraries section, select the game, right click on it and click on properties. After this, disable this option that is under enable the Steam overlay while in game. Simply disable it and then try to play the game and check if it works. If not, if you are using GeForce Experience, then click on GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on the general, and from here you can switch off in-game overlay. Similarly, for Discord overlay, you simply go to the user settings and click on game overlay tab. Here switch off enable in-game overlay option. The next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any kind of antivirus program installed on your PC, simply disable it before you start playing the game, and after that check if this solution works for you. The next method suggested is to perform a clean boot. For that, you simply need to press Windows plus R and here type msconfig and then click on OK. Now click on Services tab. Here click on Hide all Microsoft services and click on Disable option. After this, click on Startup. Now click on Open Task Manager. From here, select the app that you want to disable and then simply click on Disable option. Once done, go to the Services tab and click on OK and then check if you can play the game without any issue. The next solution suggested is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, again go to the search option and look for graphics settings. Here, click on Add Desktop App, and you need to add the game from here. After you add the game, this kind of interface you can see. Under GPU preference, you simply have to select high performance and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the final method suggested is to reinstall WUCHANG Fallen Feathers game from your PC. For that, again go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it and then click on manage and then click on uninstall option. This type of interface will open. Simply click on uninstall option and then restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, relaunch the game and try to play it. Hopefully, this time you can play the game without any further problem. So all these are the best solutions that I have suggested to fix WUCHANG Fallen Feathers game crashing or not loading or not launching error on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.